Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saanich, local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move, you need a cheap North Saanich moving company, like 3 Movers. Whether it's a local move or a long-distance move, professional movers can make it so much easier. Without the right help, moving can be a really big job and rather stressful. You can enhance your local or long-distance move with our help and the following options: packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Whether it's time to relocate 100 miles away or further, you need the right team of long-distance movers. Our movers will make it easier to move without all the stress that normally comes with a move of this length. Are you trying to move locally and need help? Hiring a Canada moving company will give you the professional movers you need to help complete your local move. Without the right help, this type of move can be rather overwhelming. 3 Movers offers the best local moving services in the area. We know how to make sure you get moved quickly and save you tons of energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saanich moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.